Roblox is one of the biggest gaming platforms in the world, with millions of players and viewers watching Roblox content every single day. That means there is already a massive audience looking for this type of content. If you can consistently create Roblox videos, you have a real opportunity to grow your audience across YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact process of how to create Roblox AI cartoon videos from start to finish. I'll show you how to generate unlimited video ideas, create AI-powered videos, edit them professionally, and follow a simple strategy that can help you grow your Roblox content channels much faster. The first thing you need is a master prompt that we have already prepared for you. This master prompt is designed to generate unlimited Roblox video ideas and provide consistent video prompts whenever you need them. Simply highlight the entire prompt and copy it. Next, open ChatGPT. Once you're inside ChatGPT, paste the master prompt that you copied and click the send button. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate a complete Roblox cartoon video prompt for you. This prompt will be ready for video generation immediately. Now, let's say ChatGPT has generated one video prompt for you. If you want more video ideas, you don't need to write another Roblox prompt again. All you have to do is type next and send it. As soon as you type next, ChatGPT will generate another brand new Roblox video prompt. You can continue repeating this process to generate unlimited Roblox video prompts whenever you want. This means you'll never run out of content ideas. Now that you have multiple video prompts prepared, the next step is generating the AI videos. For video generation, you can use any AI video creation tool, such as V3, Sora, Flow AI, YouTube Create, or any other AI video generator available. In this tutorial, however, we'll be using Flow AI, Google Flow. Click on the Settings option. Next, select the Video Generation option. Now set the video size to 9:16. Next, choose your video model. For this example, we'll use the Light model, which typically costs around 10 credits per generation. Now, go back to ChatGPT and copy the first video prompt that was generated. Return to Google Flow and paste that prompt into the prompt box. Once everything looks correct, click the Generate button. Flow AI will now begin generating a video based on your prompt. After a short wait, your video clip will be ready. At this point, you can preview the generated video and see how it turned out.
I live in the biggest house here. That's nice. I just hope you're happy there.
As you can see, the video looks really good. Now, go back to ChatGPT, copy the second video prompt, return to Runalo, paste it, and click Generate again. Repeat this exact process for every video prompt generated by ChatGPT. Once all of your clips have been generated, download them to your device. Now that all of our video clips are ready, it's time for the editing stage. For editing, you can use CapCut, Adobe Premiere Pro, or any other editing software you prefer. First, open your editing software. Next, import all of the generated video clips. After that, arrange all of the clips on the timeline in the correct order following the sequence of your story or script. Once all the clips are placed correctly, the next step is color grading. You can follow the exact color grading settings that I'm showing on the screen right now to make your video more visually appealing and professional. After completing the color grading, add a good copyright-free background music track. Make sure the music matches the mood and energy of your video because the right background music can significantly improve audience retention and keep viewers watching longer. Once the editing is complete, export the video using high-quality export settings. After the export finishes, your Roblox AI cartoon video will be ready to publish. Now, all you need to do is repeat this process consistently. And if you love this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe.